Industrial and operational engineering is more about optimization of a system, as say like any process which is very complex and which would take millions of transactions or millions of iterations to solve that problem, like scheduling a flight operation from New Delhi to Chennai or New Delhi to all over India. Like how many flight operations are there? So optimizing each and every flight operation such that even the pilots are happy, even the customers are happy. So it has applications in everywhere, like in manufacturing, in healthcare. As I spoke before, that I have a 1 year work experience in manufacturing facility. So I wanted to study industrial engineering to more optimize my production processes, like managing the inventory, material handling, optimizing production flow, the processes and everything. So this is a very great thing at University of Michigan, that for industrial engineering, you don't have any mandatory courses over here. So it's just that you need to complete 30 credits over here. And out of those, 18 credits should be from IOE department, and the rest other can be from any other department. So that's what it's. IOE department at University of Michigan is very flexible. So even in the 18 credits, you can take 12 credits are from 500 level, and other credits can be any level, below 500 or above 500. So minimum you need to have 12 credits above 500. Giving an example of my friend who was studying chemical engineering first semester. So later on he transitioned to IOA department in his next semester. And it's very easy to switch after getting into university, because the faculty comes to know that this student is studying good and he's also good in academics. That is why the transition is very good from one department to another department after getting into university. The most popular is operation research, because it has a very, like, the courses over here are more intensive, because most of the PhD students are doing their specialty in operations research. The second would be like production distribution logistics, which I am doing. And third, which is very growing very fast, is healthcare. So University of Michigan also has a hospital, which is UM Hospital. It's very famous in US, and providing healthcare over there with industrial engineering, it's having a very great impact on the hospital. So this is very fast growing course, and it is not so famous right now, but I think it has a very good future ahead. Here, the faculty is not concerned with the marks, like how much do you score, how much marks you're gaining. So like before undergrad, we used to study for marks and getting percentage and CGPA, but here the faculty are more involved with how much understanding you have about the topic and subject. So that is why they are more towards the projects. And you find in many courses there aren't any final exams or any quizzes or anything. So they will assigning your projects either with companies or either with any research groups or anything. And speaking about this semester, I have 4 projects with different companies. So at the end, I need to show them the implementation of my technical knowledge on their company, on their production floor, or on their company, and how well did I do it. So this is how they'll test the knowledge. Like, don't miss out any assignments, don't miss out any projects, don't take it lightly. Like, each and every assignment or project or case study as very huge, because each and every student is working on the project, and if you miss out even one project, so you will lag behind 20 marks or 20 points out of 100, which is a very huge lag in the CGPA score. And in here at UMich, the grades are divided into A plus A minus, B plus B minus B, and it goes on. So even if you lag 10 points or 5 points, your grade will fall behind. So this is how you need to just keep on doing work. But my suggestion would be, don't work on grades, do understand the concepts, because if you understand the concepts, you will be able to do it better in your projects as well. So, and also, like, the companies are not interested in your grades, but they will be interested in what projects did you go in doing a study. Students taking IOE should know Python, then other tools like SQL, Tableau, then and if he has a work experience, then SAP, ERP. So these are major tools what companies are looking for. This is a very helpful. And also, like, as soon as you get a University of Michigan username and password, so it's free on Coursera. Like, Michigan also has online course on Coursera. So all those courses are free for the students. Speaking about Python, I got my Python certificate from there for free, of course.